Sairam students, my name is Shraddha Acharya. I am your computer teacher. I welcome you all to the computer class. I hope you all are good. I am also good. Now, let's start the study of a very interesting subject, computer. Students, there are total 4 units in our syllabus. First unit, Basics of IT, Information Technology. Second unit, Cyber Safety. Third unit, Open Office Tools. Fourth unit, Scratch and Python. First two units are of theory. Third and fourth unit are practical unit. In first unit, there are total 4 chapters. In second unit, cyber safety, there is only one chapter named cyber safety. In third unit, office tool, there are total 6 chapters. And in fourth unit, there are 2 chapters, Scratch and Python. Now children, let's start with our chapter Basics of Computer System. First, we will start with what is a computer? Computer is a device that takes raw data from the user, processes it and gives the desired output to the user. In other words, we can say computer is an advanced electronic device that takes raw data as an input from the user and process it under the control of a set of instructions called program, produces a result output and saves it for future use. Children, do you know why computer is known as computer system? Because different parts of computer work together to complete a specific task. Example, a printing work is not only done by printer. There are role of computer, CPU, mouse and so many other devices. So, that's why computer is known as computer system, because there are many parts work together to complete a specific task. Functional components of computer. What are the functional components of computer? Input. What is input? Input, that raw data which user give to the computer, is known as input. Then processing. Processing means the conversion of raw data into meaningful data. Output, the final result given by the computer to us, is known as output. And storage. Storage is that place where we are keeping our data for future use. Now, just take a real life example of input, process and output. Input, if we are switch on the AC, it is a input. Now processing, AC will on and output that it cools the room. This is a real life example of input, process and output. Another example, if we are giving two numbers to calculate the sum to the computer, that is input. When the computer add them, that is processing, and the result is their output. Now the definition of input. The act of entering data or other information or input can also describe giving one's help, advice, or thoughts. Processing. The process of converting input into a meaningful output. Output. Any information that is processed by and sent out from a computer. Storage. The putting and keeping of things in a special place for use in the future. Now, CPU. What is CPU? CPU is the central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. It acts as the brain of the computer. Like a human brain. The human brain controls all the other parts of human body. Same as that, computer controls all the parts of computer system. So, in computer, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer because it carries out the instructions of a computer program and also all the functions of a computer. Without CPU, computer is nothing. Parts of CPU: ALU, CU, memory unit. ALU stands for arithmetic logical unit. It does all the calculation of mathematics in computer. Example: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all the questions of logical and reasoning. Perform all addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. CU. It directs the operation of processor. It tells the computer's memory, ALU and input and output devices to respond to instructions that have been sent to the processor. In other words, we can say that the CU means control unit that controls and manages all the other parts of the computer. Computer applications. Now children, what is the meaning of computer application? Computer application means where we are using computer, the uses of computer. Now, in human life, computer is very important. It is used almost everywhere. Computer plays a very important role in every field of life. Now, we will learn some fields in which computer are being used. Business, banking, insurance, educational, medical fields, military, communication, government, music, films and television. We will continue the same topic in the next class. Till then, you complete this home assignment in your rough notebook. First question is, what do you understand by computer? Second question, write some example of IPO. IPO means input, process, output. Write about the parts of CPU. Take care of yourself, children. Thank you. Sai Ram.